What's up, friends? Welcome to Mom's Dinner. My name is Susie. Here, we're helping you feel successful in your kitchen with super easy and delicious recipes. Today, I'm going to share with you a classic tuna salad that is perfectly balanced in flavor. We're going to use a really good canned tuna, which can be a very affordable lunch or dinner option. We're going to add some crunchy bits. We're going to add the creaminess, and we're gonna add a little bit of tang to make everything balanced and make such a delicious tuna salad. It's perfect for sandwiches. You can eat it over lettuce. You can eat it just with a fork, or you can scoop it up with crackers. However you eat it, you're absolutely gonna love it. It makes a great tuna melt too, by the way. So stick around today. We are making tuna salad for dinner. You want to start your tuna salad with a really good brand of tuna. I like this Bumblebee brand, but if there's another brand you like, absolutely grab that. You'll want to use 4 5-ounce cans of chunk white albacore tuna that are packed in water, not oil, for this recipe. Then go ahead and drain all of those cans in a fine mesh sieve over a bowl, pressing out the water. Otherwise, you risk having a watery tuna salad. Now we're going to get to chopping a couple veggies. We need celery and red onions. For the celery, I like to cut the celery lengthwise so that you don't end up with large chunks in your tuna salad. So cut it into smaller strips and then cut across for the perfect bite-sized celery pieces. Then you'll want to measure 3/4 of a cup. The next veggie we need are red onions, and you just need a 1/4 cup here. But what I like to do is cut a slice of red onion off the larger onion and then rinse it under a little bit of cool water. That rinses away that enzyme that will have your entire tuna salad tasting like red onions. Now we're going to mix up the dressing. You're going to add 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of a pickled relish. Again, you want to drain off some of the liquid from the pickled relish. 1½ tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and then we're going to season it up with a 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Get that mixed together really well, and then we're going to stir in the celery and the red onions. Then we're going to bring in that drained tuna. Make sure that it's fully drained, and you'll see there to the right of the screen, look how much liquid came out of that tuna. Now flake that in and fold the dressing over the tuna, and there's your tuna salad. Looks and smells absolutely perfect. So what I'm gonna do now is actually pop it in the fridge for a couple hours. We're still mid-afternoon. I've just got dinner all ready. So I'm gonna let this sit in the fridge. It's gonna get more flavorful as time passes on. The onions and the celery and all the spices will really infuse all of that sauce and the tuna. So good. So when it's time for dinner, I'm gonna pull this out of the fridge. I'm gonna do croissants with a little lettuce and tomato and layer on the tuna salad. So good. And then if somebody wants to have tuna melts, I will absolutely do that. 2 slices of bread, a little American cheese, some of the tuna salad, toast it up just like you would a grilled cheese, and that's an option as well. So I really hope that you give this tuna salad recipe a try in your kitchen, and it helps you feel like a success at dinner time or lunch or whenever you want to have it. So join us next Tuesday for another recipe video of something you can make in your kitchen. And until then, have a wonderful week ahead. See ya.